Manufacturing Services, recognized as one of the finest precision metal stamping companies in the world, celebrates 100 years in business, providing precision metal form parts and sub-assemblies to the most demanding industrial sectors around the globe. Why does a company like Conner call themselves a manufacturing services company? Well, their story is what makes Conner unique. In an industry where all manufacturing companies have access to the same equipment and material suppliers, delivering manufactured parts to customers is not enough. Any company can do that. Conner's capability of providing a complete and detailed analysis of manufacturability and trusted exceptional service is where their uniqueness is apparent. Provide an environment that fosters the best knowledge, solutions, and service, and Conner's dedicated, highly skilled, multicultural workforce provides the competitive edge. It's that recognition within the Conner family which makes the difference. Ultimately, that best serves the Conner client. More than just computers and machines, Conner looks for the most efficient way to utilize technology in order to maintain reliability, capability, and cost effectiveness. And with Conner, that's all about people, process, and solutions. With wholly owned factories in North America, China, Singapore, and Malaysia, Conner can serve the client with trusted around-the-clock support and exclusive accessibility. Customer service is virtually 24/7. Conner's knowledge is apparent to the client from the very beginning of the design phase through to the successful delivery of an ISO TS certified product. Whether a product run of 300, 3,000, or 3 million, the Conner philosophy is make it right, make it work, and repeat the process no matter what the scale. On-time delivery with zero defects means delivering the best cost for the client. That's Conner manufacturability. From aerospace and defense to consumer electronics and telecommunications, automotive and heavy truck, to semiconductor and medical devices, Conner has earned the trust factor from their clients. Within challenges lie opportunities. Conner has always embraced this philosophy. A perfect attitude for assured growth. And with Conner, you get more than just manufacturing. You get trusted service. That's what we mean when you see the name Conner Manufacturing Services.